Happy Sunday. Where am I? I am in Washington, D.C. I am at the embassy. As you can see behind me, I am getting ready to take you guys in. I am at the Haitian Ladies Brunch. This is their 12th annual brunch. There's over 400 Haitian women from all over the country that basically RSVP'd and came to DC to be part of this brunch. The ambassadors here, Success Junior is here. Just want to show you guys a little bit of what it looks like outside. So once I get inside, it is going to get a little noisy, but hopefully you guys can hear me. If you cannot hear what's going on, I'm going to try to get some interviews. If you guys can't hear anything, please let me know. But it's beautiful out here today. However, I just left Miami thinking I was getting away from the rain. However, here's more rain in DC. So I'm about to take you guys in the brunch. I'm going to do a two-part video just to show you guys what's going on now. And later on, when ambassadors speak, I think Success Junior, Mama Junior is going to do something. I'll go live again to show you guys the second part. So right now, I just want to give you guys a tour of the embassy, a tour of what's going on in the brunch, the amazing Haitian food that they're serving. Everyone in it's already eating soup jumu. So let me turn the camera around and let's take a tour. Happy Sunday and thank you for joining. Okay, so this is outside of the embassy. If you've never been to DC, this is the outside of the embassy. I don't think that second part is ours. I think it's just this part. And I think it's about 4 floors. Yeah, it's four stories. Yeah. So this is the entrance I think I'm supposed to go in, but we're gonna go through the door so we can start from the inside and go upstairs, and then I'll take you guys outside in the back. If it doesn't rain, there will be a lot of people outside as well. So this is what it says. Embassy of the Republic of Haiti, 2331. This is the front door. Thank you so much, security. Thank you. So we are inside. You may not be able to hear me, but it's inside.
I recognize you.
So this is, of course, the mimosa line, and here's Karen. Karen Andre is the reason I'm here. I didn't even know if I can make it, and she was like, "You have to come." Like, totally skipped out of carnival and made it here. So this is the mimosa area. So as you can see, look, we have a lot of prominent Haitian women here today. Came from all over the country. We're going to take a tour and see who else is here. Okay. We have Azed here, which is a very popular Haitian designer. Azed, say hey. You guys are live on Facebook. Women are absolutely beautiful. No, Facebook. Ladies just kind of relaxing, networking. If you're just tuning in, this is what it is. It's the 12th annual Haitian Ladies Brunch, Washington, D.C. So this is their 12th year doing this. This is the library. All the ladies want to take pictures with Success. Okay, we're gonna stay downstairs. first room. This is where the soup jumeau is. So a lot of people start off in here. Okay, so the soup jumeau room. So of course everyone starts off in here.
Thank you.
No, you're live on Facebook. Oh, I love your bag.
No, ahorita no, ya no.
Okay, so this is the sushi room, just to show you guys some of the other food. Let's see what else we have here. My moulin. Uh-oh, here we go.
Is that the one with the
Absolutely. This is what a Haitian brunch is supposed to consist of, okay? Yep, I'm definitely gonna speak English, sorry. Definitely. Everyone else in here speaks English, even the ambassador. Okay, so we're going to head over here. But I won't go outside now, but I just want to show you guys some of the art that's on the wall. Absolutely, Ruth. It's definitely Haitian women uniting and bonding with each other. More art on the wall, more mimosas. So I give you guys a sneak peek of outside, but I'm not coming outside right now. So we're going to go to the second floor. Look at the ambassador hiding out. Look, look, look. He's hiding out. I'm not gonna bother him right now, but we'll bother him in a little bit. It's probably the only time he's gonna get to himself. So one of the things that I noticed with the volunteers here today, a lot of the volunteers are men, which I think is so beautiful because it's the Haitian Ladies Brunch and you have all these beautiful Haitian men supporting Haitian women.
I'm reading stuff.
Some more of the stuff on the wall.
I'm going to type them up and translate them to Haitian. So that's something yeah, that's true. I've only found one social. There's somewhere in my house.
A lot of the Haitian women are coming from all over. There are a lot of Haitian women here, but these women are from everywhere. Association, you just RSVP when they put out the invitation and you will show up.
Wanda, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm here.
Okay, so we're on the second floor. I just want to show you guys some more art on the wall. So going up to the second floor, this is what the artwork looks like. More artwork, more art. Hey Shirley. here's one of the organizers. Say hi on Facebook. You want to say a few words about the brunch?
Sure. So the brunch was founded 12 years ago by
Hold on, let's go maybe this way. I think the music is coming from behind me.
Are we live?
So, yeah, you're live on Facebook. Let's see, right? Let's go in there.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll just have you say hi, say your name. Oh, this is perfect.
Okay, great. So my name is Fendi. I am served on the host committee for the Haitian Ladies Weekend. The brunch was founded 12 years ago by Nadine as a way to really galvanize and just meet with her local Haitian ladies. And we are excited to be here at our 12th year at the Embassy for the 5th time and welcoming our largest group to date with 400 women. So thank you for joining us. For those who are here, thank you for RSVPing. Follow us at Haitian Ladies Network on Instagram, #Haitian Ladies, and hope to see you around.
Someone asked, do you have to be part of an association to come to the brunch?
You do not.
I answered, but I have you answered too.
Yeah, you do not. You do have to request an invitation to also be added to our mailing list. So there is a request that needs to be made formally with us.
So if anyone wants to attend next year, how do they get on the list to find out the date for next year?
Absolutely. So you can email HaitianLadies@gmail.com to request an invite, and from there we will send out an invite to be a part of our mailing list.
So
that
that's
has all of our events.
Okay, Haitian Ladies.
@gmail.com.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So there you have it, HaitianLadies@gmail.com. If you want to attend next year, just email them so you can get on the mailing list, and they will be part of the mailing, so they'll email you the date, and all you have to do is RSVP. I believe it's first come, first serve. So there's 400 women here today, and they cut it off at 400 this year. Maybe the next year will be more. Okay, so let's see. Open it? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Is this the same thing? No. It's the same thing, right? Okay. No? Oh, okay. We got 2 different kinds of lemon here. Yeah. And we have codfish moldy right here. This is, what is this?
This is starter.
Okay. Yes, thank you. I'm on the 2nd floor still, right? 2nd floor? So we have Diane. You're on Facebook.
Hi, darling. Hi, Facebook.
Where did you guys travel from?
I traveled all the way from New York.
And
I'm from Maryland.
Maryland? Okay, and why did you travel all the way from New York to be here? Well, first say who you are.
All right. Well, my name is Diane Danier, and I'm the fashion designer of BNIBA and the CEO of Fleur de Vie. So one of the reasons why I came down here is anything that's going to have all these Haitian women coming together is a positive vibe. Too often, Haitian women within the community are oppressed, and this brunch is a great way to actually uplift the women, make the women as the focus, because all these women in this room are doing phenomenal things. So of course, where's the place to be is DC.
Absolutely. Thank you. Sure, darling. So we have some more women up here networking. What I love is, as you can see, all of these women are networking. Everyone's talking to someone. There's more mimosas in this corner. More art.
Man, look at you, girl.
All these women are so beautiful. So third floor, I don't think there's anything going on up here, but I love how the art just wrapped around this whole place. All Haitian art, Haitian artists. Okay. I believe it continues going up. It's definitely huge in here. Okay, is this where we end? Is this where it ends?
You wanna go higher?
Yeah.
You could if you want to.
Where am I going to go higher?
Straight up.
Where? I'm doing a live stream. Come on.
No, I'm kidding. No,
Where?
this area. This area's closed off. It's off limits.
Okay, so this area is closed off, so this is where it stops. So it. I think it's. Yes. How big is it? So I think it's 3 stories. The brunch is 3 stories, so it stops at floor number 3. Okay, so I will try to make it outside now. Hopefully it's not raining to give you guys the last look of outside. There's the ambassador. We'll probably try to catch him before we're done. Here's Karen. Probably get a word from her in a few minutes. Okay. Show you guys outside. They go as Z. Just want to show you guys the artwork outside. So this is the back. I'm sure if it doesn't rain, we'll have more beautiful Haitian ladies out here.
It's great to just be able to see
Yes, it feels so good out here. So this is the entrance where the beautiful ladies are coming in. And this is more artwork outside. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, ambassador's taking pictures, so we may not be.
Yeah, we're gonna go get
Ambassadors in the line to take pictures with the ambassador.
Thank you for coming here. Always a pleasure. I'll see you again. All the money.
Okay, so we might have to see if we can come back to get the ambassador. Okay, we'll see if we can get him a little bit later. Where do you get information? So we just did a quick interview. If you're just tuning in, here's Karen. Where are you going in another room?
I am taking some soup jumu to some of our volunteers.
Okay, when you're done, can you meet us in that room?
Sure.
Okay. So how do you get information? There is an email address. It's HaitianLadies@gmail.com. She said basically you just send them an email and you join the mailing list. And every time, so you'll get updates on everything that's happening at the embassy. Okay, we might be able to get the ambassador now.
Okay.
Thank you, Shayna. Ambassador, are you leaving? Okay, before I get off live, you gotta say a few words to our followers that's watching right now. So we already gave them the whole tour.
Oh, great,
Yes, they already got the whole tour.
All right.
Three flights up, so.
Hi guys, we're happy to have you here at the Haitian Embassy today. This is the Haitian Ladies Brunch, and today we actually have a special treat. Success and his mama came all the way from Florida to be part of this event with the Haitian ladies in DC today. So we're happy that you can watch this online, but more importantly, if you happen to be in the Washington DC area, you have friends, family members visiting DC, send them our way. There's a lot to see here. There's some artwork. There's a lot of activities happening at the embassy. So look us up, and we're looking forward to seeing you in DC.
This past year, I noticed you guys have hosted all these different kind of events, which is different from what you guys are doing in the past. And you're doing events to where you're bringing people from various backgrounds to the embassy. So why did you guys decide to do that this year? And the events, how did you guys come up with those type of events?
Obviously, you know, we have a very diverse group of people, whether they're from the Haitian American community or beyond. We talk to them. So we're trying to find out what they're interested in seeing and doing. So right now we're doing trivia night. Every Thursday the embassy stays open until 9 p.m. and people come from all over to participate in trivia nights where the winning teams, they get Haitian products. So we do that. We do cooking classes. So we do a variety of activities so that we can bring as many people as possible to the embassy. But the intent being, the more important thing here, we're trying to shift the Haiti narrative. We're trying to put a positive spin on the Haiti conversation. So it's one way to attract as many people as possible so that we can get them involved in that conversation.
So if I come to town, I'm in DC, I want to visit the embassy, what do I do?
Just give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll be happy to actually host you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
Okay, there you have it. The ambassador said, like he said, everyone's welcome to come here. If you come to town, all you're basically doing is giving them a call and stop by the embassy or send them an email. Hi, how are you? And you just send them an email and you can basically stop by the embassy. They have been hosting a lot of events this year. Like you said, they're trying to attract people from all various backgrounds to come and learn about the Haitian culture. They have the cooking nights where they cook Haitian food. They have Haitian chefs come in and they cook Haitian food and they teach you how to cook Haitian food. They have a trivia night that they do. He just hosted a meeting most recently for about TPS. So there's always a lot of things going on here in the embassy, and everyone's welcome to come. Like you said, all you have to do is send an email and come on by. I was trying to see if I can catch Karen Andre to get an interview with her before I go off. But if I don't, we'll catch her a little bit later to get her to give us more information. We have Ariel. Ariel is also, hold on. Ariel, you can't run, you can't run. No, she's running. They're working. So it's like so hard to try to get them to stop and talk to us. Because most of the people are just coming in right now. So once they set up to actually do the full introduction and everything, we will definitely go live so you guys can see more. And thank you guys so much for tuning in.